Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a liquid gradient animated backgrounds in After Effects. It's very easy and let's go. Okay, new composition, make it full HD and 10 seconds and press OK. Now go to layer, new, solid and fractal noise. Fractal noise. Yes, doesn't matter the color and press OK. Now go to Effect, Noise and Grain, Fractal Noise. Yes. Go to Fractal Type and choose Dynamic Progressive. Then go to Complexity and down it to 1. Now go to Evolution, Alt and click on Stopwatch and type Time * 100. Yes. Now go to Effect, Distort and Liquify. Go to Warp Tool options and increase brush size, like this. Yeah. Also brush pressure, make it 100. Now go around and distort your image. It's easy to do this. Okay, double click and go to Effect and Color and Tint. Now choose your colors. Choose this and yeah. Okay. Now again, yes. This is our colors. Okay, again we will back to solid and now go to layer, new, solid and name it colors. Then press OK. Okay. Now we will go to brush tool. Okay. And okay. Double click on solid. Okay. Create a random line like this. Yeah. Make sure you check on paint on transparent. Click on composition and go to effect, gradient, gradient and fill. Yes. Now choose your color. and yeah, again we will do this again. Okay, layer, new solid, and colors 2. Again, brush, random line, yes, check on paint on transparent and effect, gradient, and fill. Also choose your color. Okay. Okay, again. Okay, I think this color, the yellow one, will be good. Yes, like this. And here we go. Yes. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.